Hello guys, welcome. I'll be sharing Ekpang nkukwo recipe with you. Traditionally it is made with cocoyam, but I'm going to use water for this. We're going to use two different peppers because I like mixing up my peppers for flavors. We're also going to be using onion for this. We're also going to use the dawa for this. We're also going to be using some crayfish, some stock cubes too, whichever one you prefer. I'm going to use water but traditionally cocoyam is used. Cocoyam itches me, so I'm going to use ugu, but traditionally cocoyam leaves are used to wrap this. Some palm oil too. Good palm oil. We're using goat meat for this. You can use fish if you want to. We're going to grate the water yam. It's about half a tube of water yam that I used for this. Traditionally, ekpang nkukwo is made with cocoyam and wrapped in cocoyam leaves. But I don't have cocoyam. I have water yam a lot at home, so that's what I'm going to use. And periwinkle is also used, but for today I am not using periwinkle. I'm not using dry fish or ibat as it is called. I'm just going to cook this with what I have at home. This is the grated water yam. We're going to put in some salt and mix properly. If you miss this step, when you eat the one that is wrapped, the inside will taste bland. It will not be as tasty as the other ones that have started and all that. So it's good to do this step so that when you bite into it, it will still be tasty. You still have the same taste all around. I tried using the spoon to mix it. It did not work out. I just used what I normally use, what I'm comfortable with my hands. After mixing this part, then we now go ahead and wrap them in the leaves. You wrap your ekpang nkukwo in the leaves that you're going to use. You put in a little water yam and roll from the base of the leaves to the tip. That's how you do for each one. And you put this in your pot that already has palm oil. Here's our finished product. This is the ekpang nkukwo wrapped and placed in a pot that has palm oil in it. Normally, if you're using periwinkle, I like to put my periwinkle under. This is everything blended: the crayfish, the pepper, onion, locust beans, blended together. You can pound yours if you want, but I wanted to blend mine. Okay, I've put my blended mix into the pot. I've put in hot water. The pot is on fire right now. Hot water, not cold water, because cold water will just scatter the water yam or cocoyam if you're using cocoyam. I'm using hot water here. I now add my seasoning cubes. I put some salt too and allow it to cook for a while to get firm before stirring. If you don't put enough water, this thing will burn, so put enough water to give it room to boil well. After about 10 to 12 minutes, I can now come in and stir. With actually folding. It's like a folding method so that I don't scatter everything. If I had done this when it had not cooked, the whole thing would have just scattered. Put in goat meat, your scent leaf, whatever final thing you want to put in, and just stir lightly. We're going to fold in everything we've put in gently. At this point, you can taste for seasoning. Correct your seasoning. Salt, seasoning cubes, whatever you feel is not enough, you can just add at this point and then cover it and allow it to cook for a few more minutes. To check if it's ready, just take out a wrapped one, a big one, and cut in two and look in. If it's like this, as in properly cooked through, then you know you're good to go. The danger of not allowing it get ready, especially with cocoyam, is that it could irritate your throat, so be careful. Our ekpang is ready. Please let me know if you try this recipe. Whatever questions you have, just ask and I'll answer in the comment section.